In this video, I'll show you how to automate meeting reminders in Monday.com. Start by opening the board where your meetings are scheduled. Click the Automate button at the top of the board and go to the Create tab. Select Create from Scratch. Inside the Automation Builder, create a date-based trigger. In the Trigger drop-down, select When Date Arrives. Choose the date column that stores your meeting schedule. You can then decide when the reminder should be sent. For example, 1 day before the meeting, 2 hours before, or 30 minutes before the scheduled time. Next, in the Action drop-down, select Notify Someone. Choose the participants who should receive their reminder. You can also customize the message with details about the meeting. Review the automation settings carefully before saving. Then click Create Automation. Monday.com will now automatically send reminders according to the schedule you've chosen. This helps improve attendance and keeps meetings running smoothly. And that's how to automate meeting reminders in Monday.com.